You are the driver, the highway transportation system. When you drive, you become part of the highway transportation system. The HTS has three parts: people, vehicles, roadways. That is a test question. People are the roadway users, walking, running, driving, or riding in a vehicle. Vehicles. There's a wide range of vehicles, small with little protection, large trucks weighing many tons. Roadways. Roadways can vary from dirt roads to gravel roads, to expressways and everything in between. Some roads are flat, some are hilly, some have sharp turns. You will come across different types of roadways. You may even drive on a gravel road, then a paved road, back to gravel on your way to school. It all depends on, your route of travel. The purpose of the HTS: to move people and cargo from one place to another in a safe, efficient, and economical manner. That's a test question. To move people and cargo from one place to another. That is the purpose of the highway transportation system. The federal government establishes traffic safety guidelines. Federal, state, and local government agencies help regulate the highway transportation system. Federal, state, and local governments enforce the guidelines. The courts decide if you're guilty or innocent. Just because you're charged with something doesn't mean you're guilty. Your driving task. All the skilled actions a person must take to drive safely. It includes social, physical, and mental skills required to drive. Social, interacting and cooperating with others. Physical, the more the practice, the better you'll become. Mental is your decision making. Safe, low-risk driving is a mental task. Social, interacting and cooperating with others. Example, you cannot exhibit road rage. Somebody cuts you off, you can't flip them the bird. That's social. Physical, the more you practice, the better you'll become. That is so true in driving. When you first start driving, you'll probably turn the wheel too much. You'll start learning how much you need to turn it. IPDE process, you're going to hear this a lot. Process of seeing, thinking, and responding. The 4 steps are identify, predict, decide, and execute. One more time. Identify, predict, decide, and execute. Write that down. Know what that means. Drive defensive to protect yourselves and others from dangerous or unexpected changes in your driving environment. Don't assume others will do the right thing. Actually, just assume they're going to do the wrong thing. Zone control system, a method for managing the space around your vehicle. There are 6 zones around your vehicle. Zones are the width of a lane. Zones can extend as far as the driver can see. So here's your car. You got a front zone, a right front zone, right rear zone, left rear zone, and left front zone. 6 zones. Driving is a privilege, not a right, based on the assumption that you will be a responsible driver. Obey all traffic laws, have a good attitude, avoid road rage, showing off, and negative peer pressure. Your driving responsibilities. Attitude will guide you as you manage your relationships with others. Learn safe driving habits. Your mood, your mad or your bad mood reflects on your driving. A breakdown in the highway transportation system. It occurs when any part of the system does not work well. Your driving ability is a major factor in helping you avoid being part of the breakdown. Some of the causes are breaking the law, not wearing safety belts, not slowing down in adverse weather conditions, operating a defective car, following other vehicles too closely, driving after drinking or using drugs, driving while tired, traffic jams. But the major cause of collisions is driver error. One more time. The major cause of collision is driver error. What is the difference between a collision or an accident? An accident implies that something happened by chance. Most collisions can be prevented. 90 to 95% of collisions is driver error. The number one cause of collisions is driver inexperience. Number one cause of deaths for people your age is motor vehicle collisions. There we go. These little signs right here, magnetic signs, Amazon, you probably need one. Financial responsibility, fuel cost, maintenance, insurance. You are financially responsible by law for any damage or injuries that you cause.